Hi, I wanted to show you my Modge Podge silicone mat that I bought from Michael's. This was $11.99 and I used a 40% off coupon to make it $7.20 plus tax. As you can see, it's very flexible. The size is 14.6 inches, which is the same as 37 centimeters, by 11.5 inches, which is the same as 29 centimeters. It's translucent, so you can put anything underneath that you want. Here I'm using a printout template from Black Cat Nails, or you can draw your own, or you can print out designs from the computer to trace. You can use this to put nail polish down and try out your designs and see what it would look like on a nail. But what I choose to do instead of the template usually is I take tape and I place the tape over my fingernail, and then I use a permanent marker which will write on the tape to trace around my fingernail so I get the right size and shape. Once I've done that, I stick it to the underside of my mat. This means I can clean the mat without erasing the fingernail design I've traced. And now when I make decals or I try out designs, I know for sure that I'm doing it the right size and shape for my nails. Here are some decals I made earlier. This mat is really easy to clean up. There are a few colors and polishes that will stain it. The clean color ones, for instance, do, but most polishes, regardless of how pigmented they are, wipe straight off. If your mat does stain, it will fade in time, but I haven't found anything that gets it completely off. Bleach helps, but you can see there's still some stains on my mat. I'd like to show you how you can see the stain here, the yellow stain. Oh, also I want to say the other things I don't like about this mat is the fold in the center from where it was packaged. If you flip the mat upside down, the fold doesn't stick out as much. I wanted to show you how I remove decals. I like to roll the mat away from the decal rather than using a tool. I find it a lot easier and it comes off intact rather than in pieces. It's actually very easy to do. I just fold the mat in half, as you can see at the edge, and then roll it away from the decal, and the decal just pops right off. If the decal doesn't come right off, it's usually because I haven't let it dry long enough. And this is in fact how I know whether I've let it dry long enough, is if it comes off easily. You see that one did not want to come off easily. It hasn't been drying as long as the other two.